Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. In today's video I want to take a look at my Sega Dreamcast because I just wanted to test it and play a little, but it has no display and the LED here isn't lighting up. So in this video I want to take a look at it and see what's wrong with it. And now, without any more waffle, let's get started. So I plug it in and show you. So when I power it on, the fan tries to spin up, but that's all it does. I removed the screws already and here the modem. So let's open it up. So when you work on this, you have to be really careful because there are pretty high voltages and they can kill you. So let's measure some voltages. This should be ground here. This should be 12 volts. 11, 15, okay. The second one, this should be 5 volts. And yeah. And the last one should be 3.3 volts. Oh, now the light came on. So this is a bad contact here. So now I will remove the power supply here and see if there is a broken solder joint or a bad solder joint, and we'll fix this. And while I'm at it, I see this is the orange LED here, and this here is nice and blue. Maybe I change out the LED too. Yeah, I have so many consoles. I try to test them regularly. So yeah. Okay. So let's see. The board looks pretty nice. So let's see if there's any voltage left in here. Probably is. So the bad contact is here on the 3.3 volt rail, right here. So yeah, and it's pretty dirty in here. So I try to clean that up. And then I put it back together and test it. And then I will replace the LED here for a blue one. So yeah. So I try to put a little bit of, try to clean it with a little bit of a piece of a cotton bud in IPA. Then I try to bend these a little bit so they make better contact. Then I put in a little bit of contact cleaner. So I hope this did the trick. Now the next thing, I will remove the board here and put in a new blue LED. Okay. So yeah, the board is out. I did already the mod for the battery here, yeah, with a little diode. So now I will replace the LED here for a blue one. It should be quick and easy. And then we should be good. This is pretty easy to do because to change the LED, because it's good label. It's here K for cathode and A for anode. Anode is the plus and cathode the minus, I think. I will check it. I'm not quite sure. So yeah, let's remove this one, and then I should have here, I have like a package of LEDs, and yeah, there's a nice and blue one. Yeah, I think that will look cooler. So let's remove the old one. So now it's all back together. I connected it to my test screen here. So let's turn it on. And here you can see the nice blue light. And yeah, here it is.
Working.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video. Yeah, this was not much, but it had to be done. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thanks again very much for watching this video, and I see you in my next one. Bye.